Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resolve technical issues in the Bright app. Is your app crashing, features not loading? Well, here's how to resolve common technical issues in the Bright app. First, make sure that your Bright app is updated to the latest version. Go to your app's app store and then search for Bright and then tap update if available. Next, clear your app cache. On Android, all you got to do is go to your phone settings and then go to apps and then look for Bright app. And once you're in Bright, you click on storage and then clear cache. On iOS, simply uninstall and reinstall the app to clear the cache. If you're still having issues, restart your device and check your internet connection. Slow or unstable data can cause app malfunction. If you're still stuck, open Bright and tap your profile icon, go to help and support and then tap report a technical issue. Describe exactly what's happening, attach a screenshot if needed, and hit submit. Bright's tech team will investigate and respond usually between 24 hours. Within 24 hours, you're going to get a response. Solve bugs fast and get back to managing your finances with Bright. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Bright solutions made easy. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.